Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily make a survey in Snapchat app. Put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. So first, of course, we're going to open up the Snapchat app. And next, we're going to need to either take a photo or upload a photo from the gallery, whatever you prefer. I'm going to take a picture. This is a picture of my keyboard. And then we can do a poll with you. You'll need to find the third sign right here in the right-hand corner of the screen and click on it. That's a sign like that. And this is where you'll get different emoji. But we're interested in another thing. At the top on this line, we're going to select gender. And then you can ask people something. Ask absolutely any question. Whatever you're interested in, like, do you like it? Or what do you think? And so on and so forth. Next, you can edit each of the emoji that are presented in this questionnaire. So, you select any emoji. And then you can also, just by clicking on the questionnaire, you can drag it to absolutely any side of the screen. And after that, you can also add another one, for example, a questionnaire, or you can further edit it. And you can also add some text, pictures, music, and so on. And after you've done everything you like, everything you want to do, in order to send that photo, you just click Send To and send that photo either to a story or to one of your friends. So that's the simple way you can do a poll on Snapchat. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon, friends.